Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi. Hello, how are you? My name is Gigi, and today I am going to be doing this makeup look right here. This eye look was very inspired by my home country and the flag, which is Brazil. Kind of feeling a little homesick right now, missing my family, but that's okay. That's okay. Once this pandemic is over and everything is back to normal, hopefully I'll get to go and see them again. But yeah, so I'm doing this look. I'm using the James Charles palette collab with Morphe. So if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. To start out, I already have my eyebrows done, so I can go ahead and just go into eyeshadow. And like I said, we're going to be using the Morphe and James Charles collab. And the first shade I'm going to be going into is called B, and I'm just going to be applying that all over my crease. The next shade I'll be using is called Social Blade, and with this green color, I'm just going to keep it right below my crease color. Now the next shade I'm going to be using is called Daddy, and I'm going to be focusing this shade on my outer V and also my inner corner. Now going back in with the shade B, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that all the edges are nice and blended and there's no super harsh lines. Now for my half cut crease, I will be going in with the Tart Shape Tape and just slowly molding that cut crease, making sure that everything is nice and even.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
My next shade is a Super Shock Shadow by Colourpop called the Sixth Sense. And this shade I'm going to be applying directly on top of the concealer while it's still wet. Going back in with the color Daddy, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that everything is nice and blended, both Daddy and Sixth Sense. Now with the makeup remover wipe, I'm just going to make sure that I get any of the fallout that has fallen on my face before doing my foundation. Now with this look, I did decide to do a liner, and I used the KVD Tattoo Liner. And I also applied lashes from Lilly Lashes in the style Chicago. For primer, I am going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer and just applying that all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 118, and let me say that this foundation has quickly become one of my favorites. Now for concealer, I am going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer under my eyes.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
For powder, I am going to be using the Patrick Starrr and MAC Cosmetics collab and just applying that anywhere that I use the concealer. And for the rest of my face, the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder. Now for contour and a little bit more highlight, I am going to be using the KVD Beauty Shade in Light palette and just using the middle top shade to highlight, give myself a little bit more highlight, and the middle bottom shade to contour. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Lovecraft Beauty bronzer in the color Cymbeline. Going back once again with Daddy, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lower lash line and smoke it out.
I can't live without you. I can't breathe without your love.
Now for blush, I'm going to be using this mini Tarte blush in the shade Kisses. For highlighter, I'm going to be going in with a Morphe highlighter in the color Spark. For lip liner, I'm going to be using Colourpop's and Kathleen Light's collab Lumiere Lippy Pencil. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood. And for the final step, Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray Mist. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so you know when I upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.